Welcome back to Pi Academy. This is fifth video on beta and gamma function. Today I discuss about some important problems on beta and gamma function, and the others videos link provided on the description box. Now problem number 1. Show that 0 to 1 root over 1 minus x to the power 4 into dx equal to this. Put x to the power 4 equal to z. Therefore, we get dx equal to dz divided by 4x cube. Now, the value of x is z to the power 1 by 4. Therefore, x cube equal to z to the power 3 by 4, and this equal to this. Now, the left hand side is 0 to 1 root over 1 minus x to the power 4 into dx. Now, we put the value of x to the power 4 and also the value of dx, and therefore 0 to 1 root over 1 minus z, and the value of dx is this, and the limit is unaltered, because when x equal to 0 z equal to 0, and when x equal to 1 z equal to also 1, and this 1 by 4 0 to 1 z to the power minus 3 by 4, and 1 minus z to the power half into dz, and we can write this as 1 by 4 minus 1, this also minus 3 by 4, and this is also 3 by 2 minus 1. Therefore, by the definition of beta function, we know that beta mn, that is beta m comma n, equal to 0 to 1 x to the power n m minus 1 into 1 minus x whole to the power n minus 1 into dx. Here m equal to 1 by 4 and n equal to 3 by 2, and this is beta half comma 3 by 2, and we also know that beta mn equal to gamma m into gamma n divided by gamma m plus n, and this is, and 3 by 2 we can write 3 by 2 as half plus 1. Therefore, and we also know that gamma n plus 1 equal to n gamma n. So this is half gamma half, and divided by gamma 3 by 4 plus 1. The 7 by 4 equal to 3 by 4 plus 1. Similarly, this is also 3 by 4 gamma 3 by 4 by the same rule, gamma n plus 1 equal to n gamma n. And we also know that gamma half equal to root pi, and now we multiply by numerator and denominator by gamma 1 by 4, then gamma 1 by 4 into gamma 3 by 4 equal to pi cosec m pi. We know gamma n into gamma 1 minus m equal to pi cosec m pi. Here m equal to 1 by 4, then this equal to this, and the value of cosec pi by 4 equal to root 2, then we get the result. Now problem number 2. Show that 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by root over sin x into 0 to pi by 2 root sin x dx equal to pi. Now the left hand side, 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by root sin x into this, and this can be written as sin x whole to the power minus f and cos x whole to the power 0, since cos x whole to the power 0 equal to 1 into dx, and this is also similar as 0 to pi by 2 sin x whole to the power half into cos x whole to the power 0 into dx, and the formula of this is half into beta x plus 1 by 2 into, this is y plus 1 by 2, and half into beta x plus 1 by 2 and 0 plus 1 by 2, this equal to 1 by 4 beta half into half, this is 1 by 4, and beta 1 by 4 comma half, and this is also beta 3 by 4 comma half. And we know that the formula, the relation between beta and gamma function, beta mn equal to gamma m gamma half by gamma m plus n, here 1 by 4 plus half, Similarly this. Now here 1 by gamma 1 by 4 plus 1 by half, that is gamma 3 by 4, and gamma 3 by 4 plus half, gamma 5 by 4, gamma 3 by 4, gamma 3 by 4 cancel, then gamma 1 by 4 gamma half into gamma half, that is gamma half whole square, and this is also we can write gamma 5 by 4, gamma 5 by 4 equal to gamma 1 by 4 plus 1, and this is also gamma 1 by 4 gamma 1 by 4 by the rule. Therefore gamma 1 by 4 and this is equal to gamma 1 by 4, gamma 1 by 4 gamma cancel, and 1 by 4 and 4 cancel. Therefore this is gamma half whole square, and we also know that the value of gamma half equal to root pi. Therefore this is pi, and the proof is complete. Now problem 3. Show that 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 4x into cos to the power 4x dx equal to 3 pi by 256. Solution. Here 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 4x cos to the power 4x into dx. We know that 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power x theta cos to the power y theta into d theta equal to half into beta x plus 1 by 2 comma y plus 1 by 2. By using this rule we get this equal to half into beta, this equal to half into beta 4 plus 1 by 2, here m x plus 1 divided by 2. Similarly 4 plus 1 divided by 2, this is 5 by 2, beta 5 by 2 comma 5 by 2. We also know that beta mn equal to gamma m into gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. By this rule we can write gamma 5 by 2 into gamma 5 by 2 divided by gamma 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2, and also gamma 5 by 2 equal to 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2, because gamma 5 by 2 equal to gamma 3 by 2 plus 1. And by this rule, since gamma n plus 1 equal to n gamma n, therefore this is 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2, and this is also 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2. 3 into 3, that is 9, and 2 here is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 1 by 8. This is 9 by 8. And now gamma 3 by 2 equal to half gamma half by the same rule this, and this is also gamma 3 by 2 equal to half gamma half, because gamma 3 by 2 equal to gamma half plus 1, that is half gamma half, and gamma 5 equal to 4 factorial, because we know that gamma n plus 1 equal to n factorial when n belongs to natural number, and this is also 2, 2 and 8, therefore 32, and 4 factorial equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and gamma half into gamma half, that is gamma half is root pi into root pi. Then we calculate this, we get 3 pi by 256, hence the result. Now problem number 4. Show that 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power 4 dx into 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power 4 into x square dx equal to pi divided by 8 root 2. Now left hand side is this. In this integration we put x to the power 4 equal to z. Therefore dx equal to 1 by 4 into z to the power minus 3 by 4 into dz, and this equal to, now putting the value of this and this, x to the power 4 and dx, we get e to the power minus z, and the value of dx is this, therefore 1 by 4 into z to the power minus 3 by 4 into dz. Similarly this, here e to the power minus x to the power 4 is e to the power minus z, and the value of x square, here value of x square whole square equal to z, therefore x square equal to z to the power half, that is x square is z to the power half, and the value of dx, and the value of dx is this. Now this is 1 by 4, count first, therefore 0 to infinity e to the power minus z, z to the power 1 by 4 minus 1, that is minus 3 by 4 into dz. Similarly z to the power half into z to the power minus 3 by 4, z to the power minus 1 by 4 into dz, and this is equal to this, and this equal to, we can write this as z to the power 3 by 4 minus 1. And since 0 to infinity e to the power minus x, x to the power n minus 1 into dx equal to gamma n. Therefore, this is gamma 1 by 4, where n equal to 1 by 4, and this is also gamma 3 by 4, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 16. Now gamma 1 by 4 into gamma 3 by 4, we can write gamma 3 by 4 as 1 minus 1 by 4, and we know that gamma m into gamma 1 minus m equal to pi cosec m pi. Therefore, pi cosec m pi, here m equal to 1 by 4, and cosec pi by 4, that is cosec 45 degree equal to root 2, and we calculate this, we get pi divided by 8 into root 2, hence the result. Now problem number 5. Show that 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square into x to the power alpha into dx equal to half into gamma alpha plus 1 by 2, where alpha greater than minus 1. Let x square equal to z. Therefore 2x dx equal to z. Therefore dx, the value of dx is half into z to the power minus half into dz. Now the left hand side of this equal 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square into x to the power alpha into dx. This equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus z, and the value of x is z to the power half. Z to the power half into alpha whole to the power alpha, that is z to the power alpha by 2, and the value of dx is this. Therefore the half come first, and integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus z, z to the power alpha by 2 minus half into dz. Now we write this as alpha by 2 plus half minus 1 into dz. We know that the definition of gamma function 0 to infinity e to the power minus x, x to the power n minus 1 into dx equal to gamma n, where and n greater than 0. Therefore here the value of n is alpha by 2 plus half. So this is half into gamma n, and it is also defined when alpha by 2 plus half greater than 0, or that is alpha greater than minus 1. Hence this equal to half into gamma alpha by 2 plus half when alpha greater than minus 1, hence the result. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get all the notification of my new videos.